Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making some Peeps fruit kebabs. The ingredients that you're going to need today is a package of Peeps. You can use any color that you would like. I have strawberries, you want to cut the tops off, blueberries, and also oranges. And you guys, you can use any fruit of your choice. We're also going to need some skewers. Okay guys, so this is super easy. All we're going to do is take one of our skewers and begin to slide our fruit onto it. Now, as you can see, I put my strawberry onto it first, and I'm just going to alternate between the blueberries and oranges. Okay guys, once you get close to the top, you just want to leave some space so you can slide your peep onto the skewer. Okay guys, I have my first one done, and that's what it looks like. So now all you want to do is repeat the process. Okay guys, so here we have them, our Peeps fruit kebabs. These are perfect to make for the kids for Easter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.